Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove TurboTax Premium. To begin, open your tax return in TurboTax. Next, locate the File section, usually found in the left-hand menu. From there, you will need to select the Revisit option, which is typically found beside the choice to deduct your TurboTax fees from your federal refund. This initial step is crucial for accessing your service options. Once you've revisited the payment options, scroll down to find the Premium Services Benefits section. Here, you will see an option to remove these services. After selecting Remove, you'll be prompted to choose a payment method. Be sure to select Remove and Pay with Card, then Pay Now, as the option to pay with your federal refund is exclusively for premium service bundles. It is very important to downgrade your TurboTax product before you finalize your order or begin using any of the premium features. If you have already paid for the premium services or utilized their benefits, the Remove option might not be available. In such cases, you might need to clear your entire return and start over. Always download a PDF copy of your current return first to save your entered information. Sometimes, you might find a Switch Products or Downgrade option directly in the left-hand menu of your TurboTax account. This can be a quicker way to change your product without needing to clear your entire return. If you encounter any difficulties, especially with billing, or if you've used TurboTax Live features, reaching out to TurboTax customer support is always a good idea for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.